Alright, what is good, y'all? So today's the gonna probably be the first video, I guess, on the build series on this little 70cc Baja that we had picked up for free. I'm gonna just be fixing it, probably riding it and messing around with it for a little bit, but then flipping it. Probably put some more money into the van or into a different build. But yeah, basically we picked up some new 10W40 oil. I've been reading some things where this engine could take 15W40, like some diesel oil, I guess, but I just went ahead and with this and we also got a new spark plug we're gonna test today too, because I tested this one, it just didn't seem like it had spark, so I'm hoping it's just a spark plug. So I also try to find it. This is picked up some Purple Power. If you guys ever need to like clean up engines and stuff, this shit's great and it's pretty cheap. I'm gonna also go through, clean up just the whole engine, all the frame. Everything's just pretty dusty, so I'm gonna go ahead, go through and do all that. But yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and probably get right into it. Alright guys, so first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and just do this spark plug real quick and test that again just to be safe, but we're gonna go ahead and replace it anyways. But I'm hoping that I don't have to replace anything else, but we'll see what happens. Go ahead and so yeah, there ain't nothing there. So yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and grab this new one. Same brand, these ones are cheap. They're like $1.70 at Walmart, so just pick this one up. Alright, freshy spark plug on there. Go ahead and test the spark again. Oh, yep. I think I see a little spark there. Hold up. Kinda gotta. Alright guys, so been messing with this for a little bit and actually even threw the exhaust back on and everything, trying to test this spark, and it's looking like we don't got spark actually. So next I'm probably gonna have to go through all these wiring and shit. Does look like all this is like a part back here and stuff, so I'm gonna go ahead and go through all this right now. Probably gonna take this cover off. It's already missing. Bolt right here kind of just halfway on, so I'm kind of interested to see what's under here. Sick. Oh my god.
go. Alright, let's see what's under this. Oh, got a little bit of... So I'm not kind of...
Pull on that. Let's see. Alright. Alright. Not looking too bad, actually. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and go through all this, and then I'll probably update you guys here in a little bit. Catch you guys then. Alright guys, so after testing again, we got no spark. So I think what I'm gonna end up doing is just replacing this whole wiring harness. I found one that's pretty cheap that even comes with the coils and everything for like 30 bucks on Amazon. So I'm gonna try it and see if it works, but I'm gonna go ahead and pop this off real quick. And I'm probably gonna need 2 hands for this, but try to record it. I need to get there we go. Wish it was on there. All right, and there's that. You can see that I got these bolts stripped out on the top and bottom. So I'm really hoping that this is not what's bad. But seeing all this, my guess is that is what I'm gonna need to replace. So probably even gonna end up having to get some special bits to get these bolts out if I can't get them out the easy way, but I guess we'll see. So I'm gonna go ahead, take the rest of this wiring harness off, and then go ahead and see if what I'm ordering will be right, and probably get back to you guys in a bit when we start actually cleaning down everything. And alright, what is good, y'all? So just went through, got that whole wiring harness took off, and went and actually got the kit ordered already. It's gonna come with the new coils down here. I already got the top stripped head out. The bottom one's gonna be a little more tricky, and I can't find my stripped screw remover head, whatever it's called. But yeah, so yeah, right now we're gonna get right into it. We got the purple power. Just showing you guys a quick little before of everything. This thing's super dusty and dirty. That's what it's looking like. So yeah, right now we're just gonna go through and deep clean everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and probably set up a time lapse or set the camera up and record some of that, and yeah, I'll probably get you guys after that. Alright guys, just a quick little update. Probably gonna turn the camera off because probably pretty boring just watching all that, but just to show you guys a comparison, this is what it looks like before you clean with degreaser, and then after. Already looks way better, but probably just gonna go ahead, clean this up, pick the camera back up, when I get it all cleaned up and get you guys then. Alright guys, got it all cleaned up. Well, a decent little quick cleanup till I could get it outside and pressure wash it and do a real deep clean. But compared to what it was, already looking way cleaner, especially the engine. But yeah, like I was saying, I got that carb already ordered and on the way, and then just finding out about the no spark, got the whole new wiring harness and the coils on the way. So once those get here, we're gonna go ahead, jump into installing both of those, and then hopefully should be getting the first start on this thing. And if so, we'll really start jumping deep into cleaning it and finishing wrapping up the exhaust. And probably not gonna show you guys the plastics and stuff too much. Probably gonna be a surprise on those, so just gonna have to stay tuned and wait for those. But yeah guys, this is how it turned out, and probably be it for today in this video. I don't know if I'll start the other stuff in the next video or keep it all in this one, see how long we're at. But yeah, if not, I'll probably see you guys in the next one. It was